UPanyaza Lesufi sekuyena usihlalo weANC engena endaweni kaDavid Makhura. uLesufi uthola amavoti angama575 kwathi uMayile wathola ngaphansi ngama32 kulawa atholwe uLesufi. Ngo-2018 laba babengabaholi bentsha babebanga isikhundla sephini likasihlalo weqembu nesagcina sithathwa uLesufi. uMayile umbongeleke uLesufi wethembisa nokumeseka.
We want to congratulate the leadership that has been elected, and we want to assure them of our support and commitment. We are very happy. All of us ran a clean campaign befitting of ANC leaders, and that's what we want to see. So all of us have a responsibility to rally behind this leadership. No one must denounce this leadership in our name. No one must take the ANC code in our name. We are now focused on 2024.
Unomanti Ngomora Lihuko wayeyiphini likanobhala esifundazweni manje useyiphini likaLesufi.
I'm so excited about that, and we're clear that we want 3 women in our top 5, and here they are.
Kusenjalo uTK Nciza wehlule uJacob Khawe kanye noThulani Kunene esikhundleni sikanobhala ebesibangwa.
Politics of regionalism don't work in the ANC. We would have had different choices, but now the ANC must unite and move forward because it's the biggest party in the country.
Owengamele ezokuthuthukiswa kwenqalazinda eGauteng uThasini Muthara uqokwe njengephini likanobhala ehlula uNomathemba Mkhethi. uMurakani Msuphi wehlule uPaul Mujapelo ngevoti elilodwa nje vokwe sokuba umgcinimafa esifundazweni. Yize kube nokubambezeleka kulengqungquthela udaba lwamalunga ngombombayi kanye nezivimbelo senkantolo, kodwa ke umgcinimafa jikelele weqembu uPaul Mashatile ukhombise ukugculiseka ngobuholi obusha.